Hello everybody, welcome to Baby and Hugs, a one-stop guide for parenting. As new parents, we are constantly worried about our baby's growth and health. Some of the common questions which keeps worrying us are, is my baby gaining weight? Is my baby getting good amount of food? Is my baby getting good nutrition? We are never convinced and constantly worried about the amount of nutrition we are able to provide them. Sometimes this could also be because of the pressure from the relatives, friends, and family. Based on my pediatrician's advice, I would like to share a truth with you. Not all babies who put on weight and look chubby are considered healthy, and not all babies who look thin or lean are considered underweight. The physical appearance or how the baby looks is never to be taken as a parameter to tell if the baby is healthy or not. Instead, you can also follow the guidelines provided by WHO and CDC. A sample chart of it, I have given the link to it in the description. You can check it out. This gives us the ratio between the normal height and normal weight of the baby according to their age. So after your doctor's advice, here is a list of a few natural weight gaining foods you can consider for a good nutrition of your baby. The first one being breast milk. Breast milk is one of the primary source of nutrition for the babies, and also since they are not able to eat or digest any other form of food. Breast milk can be given to infants exclusively for about 6 months and also can be continued up 2 years of age along with the other solid foods which you would like to give. Breast milk is the most nutritious, easily digestible, and one of the superfoods you can give to your infants. It is high in proteins, minerals, fats, and digestive enzymes. This acts like a stepping stone for your baby's good health. The next food is ragi. Ragi is considered one of the superfoods and also wholesome food because it is loaded with nutrients, minerals, proteins, and fats. It is one of the first and foremost food which is considered healthy and a weight gaining food which can be introduced to all infants in different forms like ragi malt, ragi dosa, ragi idli, ragi laddus. It can be introduced in any form, but primarily in the form of ragi sari, which is a best source for weight gain in babies. Next one is bananas. Bananas is a great first food for your babies. Doctors recommend that you introduce as early as 6 months to your babies. Bananas are loaded with fibers, nutrients, minerals, vitamins, and enzymes, folic acids, folates, and also niacin and vitamin B6. Since these are rich in fibers, it is a best cure for constipation. It also improves your child's memory and also intellectual power. The great form in which you can introduce bananas is by mashing it thoroughly with your hand or also with a fork and introducing it to your baby. The best variety of banana is the Kerala banana, which has high healthy calories. The fourth superfood is ghee. Ghee has high nutritional value. Homemade ghee is the best option. You can introduce ghee as early as 8th month, starting with few drops and continuing it for a maximum of about 1 tablespoon per day. But on a healthy note, if introduced in moderation, it could lead to strong immune system, strong muscles and bones, helps in relieving chest congestion, cold, cough, healthy weight gain in babies, brain development. Ghee is also helpful in those children who are lactose intolerant, that is children who are allergic to milk and milk products. In such children, ghee can be used in moderation. The fifth option which we have is dal or any form of pulses, which has high nutritional value, and it is also said to be one of the important ingredient in preventing all the illness and diseases in the babies. This has high nutritional value, and it also can be started as the first soup variety in babies since it is easily digestible and also fights against diseases. So you can start with the moong dal, pani or soups, and in later stages you can introduce it with the vegetables and then smash it properly and then feed to your babies. It is one of the best foods and easily digestible. It will not cause constipation in your babies. I have a wonderful recipe, that is dal khichdi, which I have shared it in my website, the link to which I've given it in the description. You can check the entire recipe of dal khichdi, which is one of the best foods for your babies and also gives a healthy weight gain. The next superfood is eggs. Eggs are considered the best variety for saturated fats, and also it is a great source of proteins in children. The egg yolk or the yellow part of the egg can be safely used in the babies, but the white part of the egg can be avoided because it is a major reason for allergic reactions in babies. So the egg yolk can be used as early as 8 months. The different varieties which you can include are the scrambled eggs, egg omelette. You can introduce it with vegetables. A boiled egg can also be given, that is after 1 to 2 years of age. Eggs are considered to be rich in minerals, sodium, potassium, saturated fats, proteins, and hence it helps in overall development and mainly the brain development in babies. The last source of healthy foods in babies are the dairy products. Some of the dairy products which can be on a safer side are milk, yogurt, cheese, and also paneer if used wisely. Milk has the high amount of nutritional value in it and also a safe option to introduce to the children. So these were some of the healthy weight gaining foods which I introduced to my son as early as 6 months, and have helped in gaining a good healthy weight. So this gets me to the end of the topic. If you like this content and also would like to see more, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle where I am more active and share more informative knowledge. Until next time, bye bye.